Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually make money using your music on Instagram. And before that, I would like to show you guys why it is important for you to put your music on this social platform.
Make it all come true.
Making money through your music is one of the best things you can actually do, and to make more money is not only by distributing it to all those digital stores that we have like Spotify and other digital stores that you know, but you can actually make more money using social platforms. That's why we have Instagram. So once you put your music on Instagram, you'll be able to make some amount of money from your music when it is being used on Instagram. So for example, now if somebody goes to their Instagram story and they actually want to put a music for them to vibe with, so they can actually go there and select an image, then go to the music tab, go to the sticker tab, then select music. So in this music tab, they will be able to search what kind of music they want to listen to. So these musics that are listed here are the ones that are available in all social platforms. So the artist that owns these musics on this Instagram page will get paid whensoever their music is being used on an Instagram story, or also if their music is being used on a Instagram post. So for example, you select a song. For example, you select a song right here. So you select a song. So
Now look at
this song plays on that story. So once this story is being posted on Instagram, then you will actually make money from it. I'm going to show you a proof of it right here. So this is the proof right here. I'm going to enter into my distributor. Right now I am inside my distributor and I've checked all my revenue. So this is my revenue tab. So there's a place that said Facebook payments. So since Instagram is linked together with Facebook, it will indicate as Facebook payments inside your sales revenue tab. So this is it right here. Facebook payments, first QTR 2021. That was last year. So that was the sale that I made when someone used my music on their Facebook feed or Instagram feed. So if you want to upload your music to Instagram or Facebook, what you have to do, if you are using Tunecore, you will click on upload to social platform right from your dashboard. So you will click on upload to social platforms. That is the keyword. So it's going to bring out the form, the artist form that you are going to fill all your informations. So you are going to put all your informations. Once you have selected the social platform, it will directly show on the social platform tab. So that means this social platform is free, and it was indicated here you will keep 80% of your revenue when you distribute to social platforms. So these social platforms include YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, also Instagram Reels. That is basically what it is, and it is actually free when you're uploading to only the social platforms. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please do subscribe, and see you in the next video.